Welcome to our channel, where we're all about healthy living. Here, we share tips, tricks, and insights to help us transform our lifestyles and prioritize our well-being. We believe that living healthy isn't just about the food we eat or the exercise we do. We are thrilled to be launching this channel dedicated to healthy living. As fitness enthusiasts and wellness advocates, we're passionate about sharing our knowledge and experiences with all of you. Through this channel, you can expect to find delicious and nutritious recipes, effective workout routines, and practical advice on how to live a healthier, happier life. But it's not just about physical health. We'll also be exploring the importance of mental and emotional well-being and sharing tips on how to manage stress and anxiety. Our goal is to inspire and empower you to make positive changes to your lifestyle, one step at a time. So, hit the subscribe button and join us on this journey towards a healthier, happier us.